Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to search job in Glassdoor. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to search jobs in Glassdoor, it is a very simple and easy process. All you need to do is simply tap open the Glassdoor app. So once you open the Glassdoor app, you will be redirected to your home screen. So once you are here, tap on the search job, salary and more option and simply type in the job title, keyword or category, and type in the city, town or postal code which you want as a location for work. So once you have typed in both the credentials, you will find different job options right there on your home screen, from which you can choose the most suitable one for your future job. So you can simply apply it on the Glassdoor app as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.